here's my recipe for pan roasted salmon and broccoli. And this is what I usually use for a quick salmon dinner. Go ahead and sprinkle your salmon with the seasoning. Don't forget to season on both sides. And before I forget, this is not a sponsored video. Now heat your largest pan on medium heat with some olive oil. Now go ahead and lay those salmon down in your heated pan. And while those babies are cooking, roughly chop up 2 cloves of garlic. Chop up garlic into the pan. Now it's time to add your cut up broccolis. Cook your salmon for 3 to 5 minutes depending on the size or thickness of each fillet. After 3 to 5 minutes, flip them up on the other side. Don't forget to move those broccolis on the pan for them to roast really well. After 3 to 5 minutes, it's time for them to leave the party. Leave those broccolis on the pan to get them roasting for a minute or 2. And don't forget to season your broccoli with some salt and pepper. And here you go, your quick and easy pan roasted salmon and broccoli. If you like this kind of recipe, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for more videos. Enjoy!